Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Asim Sultan Mahmood Jillu. Welcome and homage congratulations to everyone from Sanad by State. In today's presentation, I will explain how to record a cash sale with discount and value-added tax in QuickBooks Online. Cash sales are very common in day-to-day business, and sometimes business offer discount to customer as part of promotion or quick payment. At the same time, every sale must properly include value-added tax to ensure accurate report and compliance. QuickBooks Online provides simple tools to handle this transaction, but it is important to know the correct step. Recording cash sales with discount and value-added tax properly ensure that our sales revenue, discounts given and tax obligation are all reflected accurately in financial statement. By the end of this session, you will have clear understanding of how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online, apply a discount and include value-added tax so that your accounts remain organized, transparent and compliant. We will now learn through this example how to record cash sales with discount and value-added tax in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. We choose sales receipt under customer section and click here. Now we fill in the sales receipt header according to the cash sales receipt document. Customer as per cash sales receipt Mr. Rohimuddin. Copy and paste here. And select it. If there was an email that contained the sales receipt, I would have posted it here. Address. Since we entered the customer details in QuickBooks, it was automatically created here as well. Sales receipt date as per document. 10th September, we select 10th September. Payment method as per documents, cash, we select cash. Reference number as per document, copy and paste here. Deposited as per documents, cash in hand, or choose bank if deposited directly. Now first item sales date 10th September and first item cotton shirt, copy and paste here and select it. Description sales cotton shirt, into 2, quantity 2 and price 800. Quantity 2 right now 800, amount 60,000. and VAT 5% we select. Second item, date, sales 10 September, denim jeans, copy and paste here and select it. Description, sales, denim jeans, on unit, as per documents, rate 1200, right, 1200 and tax 5% VAT, select it. And third item, transaction date 10th September, item as per documents, leather belt, copy, paste here and select it. Description as per document, sales, leather jeans, on unit at the rate of 600. So rate 600, tax 5% VAT. Now fill in the message displayed. One sales receipt. Sales as per sales document, cotton shirt into 2 unit, denim jeans 1 unit, leather belt 1 unit, subtotal 3400, discount value select and $200 right now. Discount $200, net 3200, VAT 160, grand total 3360, paid in cash, balance nil. And now message, copy and paste for a statement. Now upload sales documents, add attachment, cash sales receipt, click, already uploaded, tick for image sent, save and closed. We now see the voucher with the magnifying glass. Select and click here. Now we see the recent transaction, sales receipt. Select and click here. Let's look at our journal entry. We go to more option and transaction journal. Journal entry, cash in hand $3,360, sales of production cotton shirt on $1,600 and denim jeans on $1,200 leather belt 6. Okay, right. Voucher match according to cash sale receipt. Dear viewers, today we explored how to record cash sale in QuickBooks with both discount and VAT by entering sales details accurately, applying the right discount and posting VAT correctly. Business can ensure clarity, compliance and trustworthiness in their financial record. Allah Hafiz.